Hi there, welcome to the course on Introduction to Phase Diagrams. First of all, thank you for choosing this course on phase diagrams. It was a great support for me and motivates me to create more useful and interesting courses. This course is helpful for students of metallurgy or materials engineering or professionals working in the industry or enthusiasts who want to learn about phase diagrams. Let us see what you will learn in this course. First, we see why at all study phase diagrams. What is the use of phase diagrams? Then we see the concept of solubility and the concept of solid solubility. Then we delve into phases and microstructure. We see what is a phase and what is a microstructure. We will learn about equilibrium of phases and what is meant by the phase equilibrium. We study the most fundamental rule of phase diagrams, that is the Gibbs phase rule. We then begin our journey learning the phase diagrams with the single component system, that is the unary phase diagrams. We will see some of the unary phase diagrams in the lecture. We then move on to the binary phase diagrams. We will study the isomorphous systems starting with the copper-nickel system. In copper-nickel systems, we will determine the phases present in the phase diagram at a particular composition and temperature. We then study the tie-line rule and determine the composition of phases present at a particular composition and temperature in the phase diagram. We will also learn about the lever rule and determine the amount of phases present in the phase diagram at a given composition and temperature. We then study the microstructure evolution in the copper-nickel system. We will then move on to study about the eutectic systems and see how the microstructure is evolved in the eutectic systems. Then we study in detail the most common and widely used and widely known phase diagram in material science, which is the iron-carbon phase diagram. We see how the microstructure is evolved at various temperatures and compositions in iron-carbon phase diagram. We will conclude this course with effect of different alloying elements on the iron-carbon phase diagram. So let's start with the course, and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning.